Yeah, alright, what is up guys, we're back with another YouTube video. Today we'll be playing Fortnite trios. I don't know if you probably can't hear them, but they are, so Flowy64, 064, sorry about that, he will be, trying out, and we're playing trios first to try out. And Phase Lane 2010 is Ron and Skin, just the same exact, style as me, because we're doing clan tryouts, and the only two leaders are oh, I just switched dying. The only two leaders are playing on, well, on with Ronin. All right, there's kids here. Depends on if you kill him first. He's gonna die, bro. He's right here. Oh crap, he's real. Hold on, I gotta heal. Yeah. There's a kid, there's a kid. There's a kid here. Help me. I'm dead. Oh my gosh. That's why you don't leave. Res me. I can't protect my teammate if I'm dead. Holy cow, I couldn't even. Oh, what just happened? Oh, holy crap. There's one. We're not playing creative right now. I don't know, I'm not sure. Well, I don't have a TikTok. I used to have a TikTok clan, but I don't anymore. That still counts. I do. I'm recording one right now. Yeah, I'm the one. Yeah, my videos have to be 15 minutes or less for some reason. I don't get it, but my most viewed video is 17,000. All right, let's eat that. Throw it down. Throw down the pizza. And we gotta eat it, so we can all get full. On one video? Yeah, I have 59 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I post a lot of videos. I have 60 something videos. Dude, a girl that goes to my school, literally in my class, literally said don't subscribe to my channel. And she only has 45 subscribers with 45 subscribers with the heck, why is it in the middle of my screen? Hold on, what is it? I can't. I'm on a gold. I'm trying to move this. Hold on, I'm trying to move my thing. What? Tell him. Me? I'm OG, of course I am. Yeah, sorry guys. It took so long because, well, I was trying to move my thing because it's in the middle of my screen. What's that? What's that? Oh, 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 oh! That's mine. Hey. Give it back. There's a kid here. Now give it back. Drop it. There's a blue one right there. Drop it. Whoever picked it up, drop it. Flowy, drop it. You're not gonna... Alright, knock him down. If you're not... Yeah, he's not gonna be able to join the clan. Just don't res him if he dies. Don't res him if he dies. We can just take the gun. What? I don't know where the... I don't know where the blue gun is. Someone picked it up. I don't know. There's a blue ranger right here, and someone took my gold ranger that I killed. I killed the... There's a blue gun. I have a blue gun right here. Phase Lane. Can you drop the blue MK? And here's a blue ranger. Alright, fine. I'll upgrade this to purple for you. And then can you give me that blue? Well, I need my gold gun, and he won't give it back unless he has that blue MK. Here, take the blue AK I have then. He won't give it back. There. What are you? Drop it. It's right there. There. We can find you another gun. We can find you another one, dude. Dude, I killed it. And then you just rushed over there and took it. Come here. Phase Lane, get over here. Phase Lane. Well, well, we're trying to be nice, but you're begging. Guys, come here, shield keg. Flowy, come on. Oh, storm's coming, storm's coming. We're lucky storm didn't come to us. Here's a green MK. Come here. If you want an MK, there's a green one right there. Flowy. There's a green one over here. Here. Yeah, there's a green one over there. What happened to my harpoon gun? Okay. Alright, let's go to circle. Let's go to circle. Go to circle. We need to go to circle. Let's go. We gotta get to the circle. Again. Oh, crap. Crap. Kid. Wow. My kid. Get on, boss. Alright, let's go. We gotta go to circle. It's far. Hold on. Sorry, guys, if you just see my screen move. It's because, it is because I try to change my order. Alright, guys, hold on. I gotta make 2 parts of this video, so this is gonna be another part right after this video. Right, bye.